Hey y'all, so I wanted to share my thoughts on this handy little cart that I've been using. It's the VEVOR foldable utility cart, and I actually got it from the brand as a gift to try it out, and it came at the perfect time because my husband actually just had surgery. Let me just tell you all about it. So you know how carrying heavy bags or boxes upstairs can feel like a workout you didn't sign up for? Whether it's carrying like toilet paper up the stairs to the bathroom or my kids' laundry or whatever it is a hassle, and that stuff gets really heavy. So that's why I was really excited to give this cart a shot, and it's made things so much easier. What makes it really cool are the climbing wheels. They handle stairs like a pro, and the other wheels roll smoothly over anything, grass, gravel, you name it. We keep it in the house, but it can really roll over anything. Plus, the handle adjusts to two different heights, so no more hunching over while you're trying to pull it around. My husband is 6'2" and he can handle it. I'm about 5'6" and I have no problems either. I've moved tools around the house, laundry, toiletries, anything that will fit in it, I have moved it. It really holds a lot too, up to 150 pounds on flat ground, and it just glides right over anything. For stairs, it can carry up to about 55 pounds, which is more than enough for most of the stuff that I use it for. And what's great is when I'm done, it folds up super compact so I can slide it under the bed or under the table in the den. Honestly, it's really lightweight enough that even my kids can use it too. And what's nice is how versatile it is. It's great for teachers. It's just one of those things that you don't realize you need until you have it. It's nothing fancy, but it does exactly what I need it to do. So if you're tired of struggling with heavy stuff or carrying bags, this might be worth checking out.